son. I need you to go work in the vineyard today.
Sorry, Dad. I gotta go see a horse about a man. Or a man about a horse. I don't know. I gotta go.
I really need some help picking these grapes. Thomas, I'm so happy to see you. Can you come help me in the vineyard?
I can help.
Thanks so much. There's so much to do. Thomas? Where did he go? James? You came back.
Yeah, the horse said the man could wait. Or was it the man said the horse could wait? I don't know, but I'm back to help you, Dad. I felt bad for leaving you.
Thanks, son. Son, I'm proud of you.
Thanks, Dad.
Now, let's get to work.
Sure, Dad, let's go.
Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.